In the pictures that will follow is the steps of how you will weigh your bags. You will weigh yourself first and then weigh yourself holding each bag. The next picture will show you where to document the number, and you will also see where you will put the number of bags. In another picture, you will see some instructions from the customer.
With another video, I'm on my way to pick up a new customer laundry. So let's get started. And this is what you do when you have a new customer. I forgot to put a screenshot of exactly in the beginning what it looks like before you accept the order. But anyway, we're on our way to pick up the new customer's order. And I have 3 other customers today too, but because she's brand new, I wanna, as they say, give her a awe, make sure hers is like perfection. Everybody should be perfection, but just because she's brand new, we want to give her feeling for her very first order.
Destination is on the left.
Getting close. Three. She told me to meet her at the side door. Okay, knock on the door. Here, a dog. Hi. Laundry has been picked up, and we're on our way to wash, dry, and fold. Hey guys, I made it home with my laundry. Then I'm gonna show you the bag. This is, hold on. This is the bag that the new customer had, and already she asked me, was I going to be her permanent person to do her laundry. I told her the only way that I'll be able to do her laundry permanently is if she requests me, but sometimes I may not because I already have a full-time job. So the first thing I'll do when I get in the house, I grab my box of gloves and put those on. Then I'm going to check and see what type of laundry detergent she desires, and then I get started washing. I'll be back. I've checked her. I've checked the app, and she desires regular soap. And this is the regular soap that I always use, the top with Downy. And then I start the water on a large load. You always use cold water. And I've already separated my clothes in her bag. So let's get started. Putting the clothes in the wash. Now halfway through I put a little bit of the detergent. Just a little bit, then I'll finish. Filling the washer up. Okay, it's about full, and then I go in, then I add some more of the detergent, and then let it do its job. As you can see, I have her laundry out in the basket. I'm about to fold them, and I already wrapped the gift that I'm about to give her, which is a pair of earrings that I made. And here it is, all tied in the little bag. I buy these bags from the Dollar Tree. I buy the small size, and then they have a bigger size, a little larger size also. So I'm going to get folded, and I guess I won't be back until it's time to drop off her clothes tomorrow. Time to weigh your bags. So the first thing you're going to do is take your weight. You're going to step on your weight, and you're going to weigh yourself. So that's the first thing you do. After you put that into the app, and I'm going to try to show a picture of where you put your weight in. Then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to grab each bag. So I'm going to grab a bag, and then you're going to take the bag and get back on the weight and weigh yourself with the bag. And then you're going to put that into the app. Then you're going to take your next bag, which is a little heavier, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to step on the weight with the bag, and then you're going to put that into the app. And then you're going to close it out. So that is the process of picking up an order to weigh in the order. And then tomorrow, we're going to drop off the order. Getting ready to drop off our Poplin order. And I'll show you what you do when you drop it to the customer's house. Okay guys, I'm getting close to the customer's house. Almost there. I'm going to show you once I put it down, but while I have the bags in my hand, I'm not going to be able to hold the camera and the bags also. Bags, two bags right here. You see the bowl that I put it on the bags.